Okay, so today Ivy and I are working on the Subaru. I've been doing some mad modifications to this bad mamma jamma. If you remember, it used to be like a blow-through setup. You know, the boosted blow through the carburetor, but now I'm doing a draw-through setup because one of my subscribers, his name on YouTube is Dr. Struts. He watches almost every one of my videos, I think, which is awesome. You know, I have a few subscribers that watch all my videos, and I love them more than you.
That's rude.
Geez, maybe if you watched all my videos. God. Okay, anyway. So, because of him, the only reason I'm doing this is because he told me that, so, you know, I do listen to my subscribers. And, so I'm switching it to a draw-through setup, and I'm pretty much done. Just have to reconnect the fuel lines and everything to my carburetor. And also get my linkage set up properly so my throttle still works. And then I'm pretty much done. Okay, I'm gonna give Ivy a quiz on the spot.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's this thing? Like this line?
A valve.
Well, this is a valve.
Yeah.
But what goes through the line?
It's been a while since you told me anything.
What goes through it?
Gas.
No. A second guess, maybe?
Air.
A third guess, maybe?
I don't know if I have a guess for that one. That one's a hard one.
What else do you put in your engine besides gas?
Oil.
There you go.
Okay.
Bingo. We have a winner, guys. Okay, so what's this doohickey?
Something you made?
Yeah, it doesn't really have a fucking name. I just this thing is extremely ghetto. And before you guys yell at me for not welding this, this is steel and this is like aluminum, so it wasn't much of an option. So I mean, it's pretty fucking ghetto. Actually, like insanely fucking ghetto. But you know, it might work. So what's this doohickey?
I'm just really bad.
Are you kidding? Dude, you know what that is. This unit here.
That unit?
Yeah.
Does it start with a T?
Yeah, it does start with a T. Yeah.
It sounds stupid. I couldn't remember if you thought about this or not.
Yeah, sometimes Ivy thinks this thing's the turbo, huh?
No, I don't.
I'm kidding. No, she thinks it's a centrifugal supercharger, not a turbo. She's not dumb.
What?
Okay, I think we're done with the quizzes because we got to get a fuel line.
Later when you tell me what everything is.
Yeah, and I'll just give her the answers so she looks smart. So I mean, yeah, we'll give her another quiz. So I got to get another fuel line that isn't short. So I also painted the engine bay black.
I know what this is.
Oh yeah, what is it?
It's the fuel line.
Holy shit, you're smart. Dude, I didn't even fucking tell her that. I also have this this bucket of Walter White's meth I got right before he got taken out, you know. It's pretty good. I mean, it's mixed with a little, like, conventional crystal clear meth, but, you know, I mean, Ivy likes it.
Yeah. No?
You smoke it, babe, you know. So, we're taking Ivy's car to Napa, or O'Reilly's, or wherever the hell I decided to go get my fuel line. And, you know, here's her light kit that we installed.
Don't mind the ketchup packets from my sister.
And the ketchup packets we installed. They're almost empty now, we better install some more. Yeah, so the light kit's pretty dope. It's on transition mode at the moment. So we're pulling into this shady ass Napa. It's very poorly lit. And I don't know, it's pretty shady.
Yeah, it is.
It's really easy to miss too.
That's why I asked if it was even.
But their parts are so cheap. So outside this Burger King, there's literally a fire hydrant right across from a parking space. Why the fuck would they put a fire hydrant right across from a parking space, or a parking space across from a fire hydrant? Dude, They're just asking for it, dude.
I know, they'd be like, fire, and then they'd be like, oh shit.
Have you seen what they do to cars?
The what?
If like you park your car in front of a fire hydrant and they need the fire hydrant, have you seen what they do? They just bust out your 2 windows and put the hose through your car.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's gonna be a race, dude.
The piece of shit fucking pulled out in front of me.
Yeah, she almost got hit.
Learn how to fucking drive.
Dude, this guy's fucking munching on fries. Dude, Shills, bitch, what's up? Wrecked! 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 Alright, I was gonna try and do a peel, dude. Traction controls off. Hell yeah!
Go for it?
Yeah, dude, painted to win it, bro. We're going through Mexico real quick to see how fast Ivy's car goes.
Are you sure that's not a cop behind me?
Positive. There's no cops in Mexico, bro. Oh, I feel speed limiter.
I do too.
115. Okay, so little known fact. Ivy's car actually has thousands upon thousands of HP. Hamster power.
Yeah.
This thing has the power of thousands upon thousands of hamsters. Do you know how many hamsters it would take to move this much weight? I don't. Probably a lot.
Yeah, right?
So this will be Ivy's station for the rest of the video, right in front of the heater, because it's fucking cold. You know, that's Montana weather for you. I bet a lot of people are surprised how quickly they can get down to Mexico from Montana.
Half an hour.
Usually it takes me a couple minutes. Usually whenever I say I'm in Mexico, it's how long it takes me.
I want a Lamborghini.
Maybe he wants a Lamborghini.
Really bad.
Like every other kid, mostly boys, but every other kid.
I want one so bad. I want a Huracan.
Do you mean hurricane?
That's what it means.
Do you know how you're actually supposed to pronounce it?
Huracan.
Dude, David told us, Ivy.
What is it?
David Patterson told us how to pronounce Huracan. It's Huracan.
Huracan?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
So anyway, Ivy, what are you doing?
I'm putting these things on the part that you made. We need to name it, man.
I don't know what we call this thing, dude.
Should we call it something like
The intake manifold adapter.
Can we call it like the box intake or something like that, you know?
We'll call it the
Like
ghetto
school.
intake.
Fine. Be boring.
Pizza box intake. Alright, so we're bolting that back down onto the intake manifold. And we gotta put this doohickey onto that doohickey.
I bet I know how to do that.
Yeah, right. Okay, so we're pretty much ready to try and start it up. I imagine it's gonna be pretty fucking difficult to get to start up. Just because like how far the fucking fuel has to go to get back to the motor. So
I think I found the oil filter.
So it's probably not going to be too easy, but we're gonna try and start it up. I'm just gonna have Ivy pour starting fluid right down there, see if we can get it to fire over, and if it does, I'm gonna count that as a win, kind of as a startup.
Then if you're gonna blow up in my face.
Maybe.
Really?
Don't worry about it. Alright, so I'm gonna try and start it up while Ivy squirts starting fluid down the carburetor. Yep.
What was that?
That was a backfire, dude. My firing order might be mixed up. Oh god. Yep. It fucking runs.
subscribe to Shenanigan Shop. Please.